Welcome back to another day trading, guys, and today I just opened two positions, and the first one was also a little risky actually, but I just closed with the first one with 500 and the next one with also 500. And what I did, I just, as you can see on the screen, I trade on TQQQ, and on the right side we have Nasdaq, and on the left side we have TQQQ, and I just shorted so 9,000 share on TQQ, and then I put, as like always, I put my target around $1,000, but the market is returning back to the top actually. So on the Nasdaq, when I saw on the Nasdaq we have on 5 minute on time frame, but I was also in profit around 500 or 600 in the after 1 minute, but the market is just changing the trend and going up. But what I do, so when I saw the Nasdaq is starting coming down, it's totally fine, and you can see a little area, and then you can just see what exactly happened and what I just closed my position with 500, and I decide to open another position. So that was a tricky actually. So I just waited a few minutes, and I saw the TQQ also going up, and will because it takes time to coming down, and I get a little concerned about this position. It would be make to hit the TP or not, because we have also the PMI report today, so it was also a little risky, and I just waited to see what exactly happened. So I saw on the Nasdaq is totally fine, and TQQ also coming down and up, but I already understand and get it, the market will go up. So I was just looking for a good position to came out from this trade. So it takes time, but here I should be just close it before the market going up, but I didn't. So I saw the market coming down, but the Nasdaq or TQQ is just rising again up, and so what I did, I just closed my position in just after 2 or 1 minute. So and then I opened another position. So you can see on the screen, I just waited and I see, okay, it will come down or not, and so maybe the market return or not. So I was just concerned about that one, but here I just be sure the market will not coming down anymore from that point. So and then I just moved my TP around 500 or 600 to just get that profit, and I came out from that position. But you know, so the market is just going up and down, and I was but I really sure about the market will not coming down. That's why I just put my TP around $630, just hit the target, and then I came out from this position, because I totally understand and got the market will not coming down anymore. But sometimes I just, as you can see on screen, okay, the market will come down, and then I put my target again on $1,000, but again the market rise up and down. Here I just understand I should just close my position, and I just looking for a good time to coming out from that position and open another position. So you can see it was a little, and then I put, so here I just close it. I just waited to hit around 500 or 600 to just get that my profit. So I changed the time frame from 5 minutes to 1 minute to see exactly all the details what's going on in the market. So I just waited to close that position. So I just put my target around. As you can see, I change my TP because the trend is returned. So I just put around 540, And the point of this video, you should just always be careful when you open a position, and you can guess what exactly happened in the next one. And I don't know what's wrong with me. So today I always, so normally I didn't change or move my TP always, but in this case I don't know why I always change my TP, because I was concerned about the market. So the market, as you can see on the right side on the Nasdaq, is a big red shadow, so that's why I just move it again. It was always the changing, yeah, because the market is live, so you couldn't exactly decide. So this is the last TP, and I just put it here to just hit it, and then yeah, so it will come a little coming down more. So here just hit my target. It was around $540, and so this was my first position actually. So here just hit my target, and now, so when I know the market will rise, so I just open a buy or long position just right now. I just open it because I know the market will go up. So and then I put my target around 540 again to just hit my daily position as always. So I just take 1000, and then I came out from that market, and I don't trade anymore because it will be over trade. So when I open a position, and as you can see on TQQQ, and I just wait after 1 or 2 minutes, I just hit it again, but the Nasdaq is still up and down, so that was also very concerning actually today. But hopefully, so this my second position hit it very soon as the first one. Yeah, here the market just rise it and pump it very well, and of course after that then the Nasdaq is go very high. So here just is almost hit my target, and yeah, let me see. So it's very close actually. So yeah, so here is just close my and take my TP. So it was $540, and okay, the first one was 540 also, and the second was also 540. So the total it could be around 1 grand, and so that was my trade. And the point of this video, so when you open a position, so you just be always careful about the index. As always I say, it can be Nasdaq, so it can be S&P, it can be DXY, so just check all of them. And I couldn't share all of my screen because I have one screen here and one screen here. I always check the data, so that's very important. And so that was all, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, so just push the like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see how exactly the people react when they open a position. Of course that was very also stressful, but so this is our job, so what we can do is just handle it. Thank you for watching. Just make sure to subscribe and like the button. And of course, if you want to use this platform which I use is called Colmex Pro, which is very good for stock actually. So when you open a position, so you pay almost nothing, and because the other brokers, so they take a lot of fee and also a spread, but this broker is very good, and I'm very happy for that one. And if you want to use the Colmex Pro, which I put the link in the description, and if you go through that link, so you get 1 month free fee, and then you don't need to pay for 1 month fee to the broker. That's very good option. And thank you for watching, guys. And yeah, so just subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.